2018 Nissan Pathfinder. You're going to check the cabin filter. To do that, you're going to need to remove the glove box. And this panel right here, it just pops right off, but the glove box is held on with a couple of Phillips screws. If you come down here, you can see that there's one here, one here, and one here. You're going to remove those. Up here, and right over here, and then there's some in the back. Okay, you're going to remove those, and you're going to need to pop this panel off. Okay, and then just get yourself a little prying tool, and they just pop off. Alright, so once you get the Phillips removed, all you gotta do is grab the glove box and just pull on it. It should just drop down. Okay, so removing the glove box gives you a better access to the cabin filter. What you're going to do is you can come down here and pull this panel. Now you don't really have to take the glove box out, but it will make your life easier. But you can see what you're kind of doing. Get back here. That's where the cabin filter lives. And for the sake of trying to record this is easier to just take the glove box off, but you're going to push this little thing here and the door will come right off. There's the door. There's your filter. And they're wedged in there pretty good. Put your finger in there. So I got a corner of it. Let's see here. I don't like to come out. So the filter will get a little deformed. I'm kind of scared to take it out all the way, but here it is. And it actually is really clean, so I'm not going to pull it out all the way. It doesn't have any dirt trapped in between the deals, but you just pull it out all the way and replace it. If you need one, I'll leave the link down in the description box where you can get one. But this one, I'm just going to leave it in here. Jam it back in there. Get the door and stick it back on there. Yeah.